Hi guys, for today's video, I just wanna cook for mungoes. I really miss to cook. I like starving mungoes. Look at this is a little bit spicy, and then onion leaves and pepper, and this is the dried nokos or pusit. I just slice for the Caesar, and then kamatis and onions and garlic and ginger and garlic. It's always too important because they have a lot of benefits that, so always present the ginger because they have a lot of benefits. And then mungos, yeah, I like starving the mungos for today. So mungos, and then is a leaves, vegetables always present here. It's very popular. Yes. And then I have more. Here is this is a sayuti and a bisol or a para or protraps if you speak English. So this is that I want to cook for today. Let's eat. Hello guys, how are you? So for today's video, I just want to make a content. I am a YouTuber now, so I just sharing for topic. That last time that I posting my latest videos is I sharing about the I just found like 500 pesos monthly dalan, because I just really think about that instead of I paying for 7,500, so I just trying to take a looking for some cheap, more than cheap. So because I budgeting that money, especially I'm frustrating right now, but I shocking because when I visit again there, because I decide to uh, transfer, or I decide to uh, take a look that land, but when I took personally, the owner is like multiply the price. It's like, I heard that 500 month at the land, and only to, build the homes here there. It is not home, it's only renting the land. But it's shocking because you just multiply the price. It's just like more than like three times like that. So I shocked. So that's the reason I changed my mind. So anyway, that, yeah, I'm not really posting for long videos because, yeah, I just like going outside, walking, exercise. So that's my life. And then even that, my YouTube not yet to, receive my salary. Maybe I monetized for 5 months ago, but that's, I have the issue also, my more accounts. So I am very frustrated right now. So yeah, just keep going and continue my YouTube channel on, yeah, editing or something like that. So I really shocking about that. So that's so not all people like Filipino is to, you are not think that situation, especially you don't know, and then you rushing for looking something like that, and then you just easy to mention about the price, something like that. Yes, really shocking. So anyway, you just keep going to looking for another place. How are you guys? Don't forget to subscribe me, Belinda Philippines Adventure. I just want to sharing this video, so just looking forward to they have more videos, and also the short videos, guys. So don't forget to check out my latest videos, guys.